Good evening, everybody. I am really excited because I was just perusing around on Facebook Marketplace, which I love, and I just got myself an awesome bird bath for really, really cheap. And in fact, it has this extra piece on top that they mentioned when I went to pick it up that they said was like a pump or a fountain kind of thing. So I'm just going to screw around with it. I have to get it out of the truck here, get it in the garden, and see what it's all about. I have always wanted a bird bath. And after umpteen years of gardening, over 10 years of gardening in a heavy way, I've never had a bird bath. All right, here we are. Isn't it cool? It is concrete, so it is very heavy. This is our tractor. If you haven't seen it before, we have a 1025R John Deere subcompact. We absolutely love it. We've had it for 3 years now. And these forks are amazing. So I'm going to get a pallet on these forks and then shimmy the bird bath onto that, so it's very, very easy for me to move it. Well, that went pretty smooth. I had a blanket, for hauling things, and I just kind of pulled it over, and then I was able to roll these different concrete pieces over onto the pallet. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. I love how the light color of the concrete stone really pops against the dark foliage and the dark mulch background. And while I have informal garden beds for the most part, this is a lovely classic, more formal element to add, just to mix things up, add contrast, and add beautiful texture. I also love stone. Stone is really hard to get and work with, but this is a stone-like element that really starts to nod in that direction, and it coordinates over here with this stone and brick that we do have. What do you think, girl?